Now let us start our next chapter, that is heat engine. In the first law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics is known to all of us. What is it that we have seen here? Ideally, what we can say here, heat can be converted into mechanical work. Heat can be converted into mechanical work. For the first, in the very first chapter, I have shown you the video of heat engine. तुम्हाला एक व्हिडिओ दाखवलेला होता मी हीट इंजिनचा बघा त्या ठिकाणी. आपलं रेल इंजिन, दॅट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ हीट इंजिन. त्यात काय होतंय, heat is converted into mechanical work. Heat is converted into mechanical work. That is the device which converts heat into mechanical work. The device which converts heat into mechanical work is called as the heat engine. आता नंबर ऑफ हीट इंजिन्स आपल्याला माहिती आहेत आपल्या एव्हरीडे लाईफ मध्ये. लक्षात, त्याचा मोस्ट कॉमन एक्झाम्पल म्हणजे आपण आपलं रेल्वे इंजिन तुम्ही पाहिलेलं असेल, ट्रेन. दॅट इज द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द हीट इंजिन. ते तुम्हाला मी दाखवलेलं होतं फर्स्ट चॅप्टरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. लक्षात, इफ यू आर नॉट सीन देअर, अगेन सी दॅट व्हिडिओ. परत तो व्हिडिओ बघा एक वेळेस, त्यात आपण बरंच व्यवस्थित मांडणी केलेली आहे. आणि फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स काय आहे, heat is converted into mechanical work and vice versa. But then mathematical statement we have obtained here, dq is equal to du plus dw. dq is equal to du plus dw. Here we can see all the heat supplied cannot be converted into useful work. Some part of the energy heat is used to increase the internal energy of the system, and that's why we get here dq is equal to du plus dw. dq is heat supplied. dq is heat supplied is equal to du, increase in internal energy, increase in internal energy, आणि dw काय असेल, work done performed there. External work done performed by the system, that is dw here. That is about the heat engine. My heat engine म्हणजे काय समजलं? Heat engine is the device which converts heat into mechanical work. It is based on the first law of thermodynamics. dq is equal to du plus dw. dq is equal to du plus dw. Now then, for the first time, ideally, the heat engine, the concept of heat engine was given by Leonard Sadi Carnot. The concept of heat engine was given by Leonard Sadi Carnot. He was the engineer, army engineer, and he designed for the first time the ideal heat engine. He designed the ideal heat engine for the first time. Now here, that heat engine converts, or we can see here, this is the ideal. It is only theoretical here given. हा जो कॉन्सेप्ट असेल, कार्नॉट heat engine is the theoretical engine. लक्षात घ्या, आयडियल आहे. लक्षात घ्या, कार्नॉट इंजिन इज द आयडियल, इट इज थिओरिटिकल. आयडियल आहे त्याचबरोबर थिओरिटिकल आहे, आपण या ठिकाणी कन्सिडर करू. लक्षात. नाउ दिस इंजिन कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 4 पार्ट्स. त्या ठिकाणी महत्वाचे 4 पार्ट्स त्या ठिकाणी त्याला लागणार आहेत. 4 कन्स्ट्रक्शनल पार्ट्स required there for him, and these are कोणते ते 4 parts आहेत that we have to see here. Cylinder and piston arrangement. Cylinder and piston arrangement. Cylinder and piston arrangement. Second one is source. source, and next one is sink, and the insulating stand. Fourth one is insulating stand. There are 4 parts in the Carnot engine. लक्षात घ्या. कोणते 4 parts आहेत? Cylinder and piston arrangement, source, sink, and insulating stand. Now we can show this diagrammatically here. First one is cylinder and piston arrangement. That we can have the cylinder that we represent here. Here, this is the cylinder. The walls of the cylinder are of perfectly insulating material. Here, the walls are of perfectly insulating material. And here, this is the base. The base is of perfectly conducting material. Here, this is the base of that cylinder, which is of perfectly conducting material. लक्षात घ्या, base of the cylinder is made of perfectly conducting material, but the walls are of perfectly insulating material. Now here we have formed the cylinder, and this cylinder is provided with the piston. Here this is the piston that we can show. This piston is also of insulating material. This is the piston, which is of insulating material. Here this is the cylinder and piston arrangement. Cylinder and piston arrangement. Here we have shown cylinder and piston arrangement. What you have seen here, the walls here, this consists of the cylinder. The walls of the cylinder are of perfectly insulating material. The base of the cylinder is made of perfectly conducting material, and the cylinder is provided with a frictionless piston. And this piston is also made of insulating material. The cylinder is filled with the ideal gas or perfect gas here. In the cylinder, we have इथे ideal gas आपण इथे दाखवतो. Generally 1 mole of gas एवढा घेतला तरी चालेल या ठिकाणी. लक्षात इथे हा आपण ideal gas यूज केलेला आहे बघा. Here we have utilized ideal, that is perfect gas here. This is about the cylinder and piston arrangement. समजलंय? Do you get this? Cylinder आणि piston arrangement बद्दल तुम्हाला सांगता येईल का आता? या सिलेंडरच्या ज्या वॉल्स आहेत, या वॉल्स कोणत्या मटेरियलच्या आहेत? वॉल्स, ह्या वॉल्स दाखवलेल्या आहे बघा या ठिकाणी. These are of, बोलत चला. The walls of this cylinder are of कशाच्या बनलेल्या आहेत? कोणतं मटेरियल आहे? हॅलो, आवाज येतोय तुम्हाला माझा? हॅलो, आर यू गेटिंग माय व्हॉइस?
येस सर.
हा, मग सांगा ना आता या ठिकाणी मी सांगितलं तुम्हाला की या ज्या वॉल्स आहेत सिलेंडरच्या, सिलेंडर माहिती आहे तुम्हाला? या सिलेंडरच्या वॉल्स आहेत, या कोणत्या मटेरियलच्या आपण घेतल्या आहेत? कंडक्टिंग आहे का इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियल आहे?
Insulating.
बर, ओके, ठीक आहे, बरोबर. आणि हे पिस्टन, हे फ्रिक्शनलेस पिस्टन आहे बघा. दिस piston is also of perfectly insulating material. आणि हा जो बेस असेल, हा बेस कोणत्या मटेरियलचा आहे? बेस साठी आपण कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल वापरलं का इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियल वापरलं आहे?
Conducting.
कंडक्टिंग मटेरियल, राईट. मग बघा आता परत एक वेळेस सांगतो तुम्हाला. द सिलेंडर अँड पिस्टन अरेंजमेंट इज शोन इन दिस फिगर. The walls of the cylinder are made of perfectly insulating material. The base of the cylinder is made of perfectly conducting material. The cylinder is provided with a frictionless piston. The piston is also made of insulating material. The cylinder is filled with a perfect gas. म्हणजे इथे आपण परफेक्ट गॅस इंट्रोड्यूस केलेला आहे बघा. दिस इज द सिलेंडर अँड पिस्टन अरेंजमेंट. अनदर वन इज सोर्स. सोर्स आपण या ठिकाणी दाखवू आता. द सोर्स इज ऑफ that we can show here the source. The source is at a high temperature. Here this is the source, which is at a higher temperature T1, which is at a higher temperature T1, and it has infinite thermal capacity, very large thermal capacity, up to infinite thermal capacity आपण घेऊ. म्हणजे त्यातून तुम्ही थोडी हीट जरी काढली तरी त्याच्या टेम्परेचर वरती काही परिणाम होणार नाही, या पद्धतीने. लक्षात, म्हणजे एवढा हाय टेम्परेचर त्याचं असेल. जसं आपला आपण सी घेतला, समुद्र घेतला, समुद्रातून जर तुम्ही एखादा ग्लास पाणी काढला तर त्याच्यावरती काही फरक पडणार आहे का त्याच्या वॉटर सोर्स वरती? त्याच पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी हा जो सोर्स असेल, दिस सोर्स इज ॲट ए हाय टेम्परेचर. It has infinite thermal capacity. It has infinite thermal capacity. त्याला infinite thermal capacity असे बघा. Now then, we can consider the sink. आपण सिंक घेऊ आता या ठिकाणी. Here we can represent the sink. The sink is at a lower temperature. The sink is at a lower temperature. That is, we can consider here the lower temperature is to be T2 here. Lower temperature आपण इथे समजा T2 consider. And it has also infinite thermal capacity. Infinite thermal capacity. And then we can represent the fourth part, and that is to be insulating stand. Here we can represent the insulating stand. Here, this is an insulating stand. Insulating stand. Now here, it is also a perfectly non-conducting material. It is a perfectly non-conducting material. The cylinder can be placed on the insulating stand. म्हणजे इथे जे सिलेंडर असेल ते तुम्ही इन्सुलेटिंग स्टँड वरती ठेवू शकता. Or you can keep that cylinder on the source or also on the sink. Now here, this is the complete constructional arrangement for ideal heat engine. See here, this is the theoretical heat engine. theoretical heat engine. Now here the perfect gas is used as a working substance. Perfect gas is used as a working substance here. हा जो परफेक्ट गॅस असेल याला आपण वर्किंग सबस्टन्स म्हणून यूज करू शकतो. याच्यावरती क्वेश्चन येतो बऱ्याच वेळेला. द वर्किंग सबस्टन्स युज्ड इन द कार्नोट engine. The working substance used in the Carnot engine, that is perfect gas. Answer लक्षात ठेवा. The source is at a higher temperature. Sink is at a lower temperature. Now then, we can keep this cylinder on the source. We can keep it on the insulating stand. We can keep it in the sink here. तर या ठिकाणी वर्किंग जे असतं हीट इंजिनचं ते बघा कशा पद्धतीने असतं. एखादा वर्किंग सबस्टन्स असेल, that working substance absorb the heat. Working substance absorb the heat from the source. Source पासून तो काय करेल? Heat absorb करेल. Part of that heat is converted into useful work. Part of that heat is converted into useful work. म्हणजे त्याचं तो वर्क डन मध्ये कन्व्हर्शन करेल काही एनर्जी. आणि बाकीची जी राहिलेली एनर्जी असेल, द रिमेनिंग हीट is then given to the sink which is at a lower temperature. It is given to the sink which is at a lower temperature. बघा ही वर्किंग सिस्टम लक्षात घ्या. वर्किंग सबस्टन्स काय करणार आहे? absorb the heat from the source which is at a higher temperature. Part of that heat is converted into useful work, and then the remaining part of the heat is given to the sink here. The remaining part of the heat is given to the sink. But here, as the working substance absorb the heat, ज्या वेळेला हा वर्किंग सबस्टन्स हीट ऍब्सॉर्ब करेल त्यावेळेला त्या ठिकाणी एक्सपान्शन होईल. देयर शुड बी एक्सपान्शन टेक प्लेस. लक्षात. देन आता या ठिकाणी एक्सपान्शन आणि कॉम्प्रेशन ह्या दोन मेन प्रोसेसेस या ठिकाणी असतील. एक्सपान्शन अँड कॉम्प्रेशन. द वर्किंग सबस्टन्स undergoes the series of expansion and compression. Undergoes the series of compression and series of expansion and compression processes in a cyclic manner, and that cycle is called as Carnot cycle. त्याला आपण म्हणतो Carnot cycle. The working substance perform the series of four processes. The working substance perform the series of four processes in a cyclic manner. In a cyclic manner. In a cyclic manner, and this cycle of operation is called as the Carnot cycle. The cycle of operation असं म्हणू आपण वाटल्यास त्याला. The cycle of operation of the working substance. The cycle of operation of the working substance through which it performs the series of four processes. Through which it performs the series of four processes is called as Carnot cycle. Is called as the Carnot cycle. Definition लक्षात आली. The cycle of operation. The cycle of operation of the working substance in Carnot engine. In Carnot engine, through which it performs a series of four processes in a cyclic manner. Is called as Carnot cycle. Is called as the Carnot cycle. And these are isothermal expansion, adiabatic expansion, isothermal compression, and adiabatic compression. The four processes कोणते आहेत ते लक्षात घ्या. Isothermal expansion, then adiabatic expansion, isothermal compression, and adiabatic compression. These are the four processes here. सर्वात आधी isothermal expansion होईल, नंतर adiabatic expansion, नंतर isothermal compression, and त्यानंतर adiabatic compression. These are the processes